Plant FAQs. Acer x Freemanii, Freeman maple. Acer x Freemanii, commonly known as the Freeman maple, is a hybrid between the red maple and the silver maple. It's renowned for its robust growth and vibrant fall colors, making it a popular choice for both residential and commercial landscapes. In this article, I'll address some of the most frequently asked questions about this impressive tree. See more 168 species in genus Acer at monsteraholic.com. What is Acer x Freemanii? Acer x Freemanii is a hybrid maple tree that combines characteristics of the red maple, Acer rubrum, and the silver maple, Acer saccharinum. It is known for its fast growth, adaptability to various soil types, and striking fall foliage that ranges from yellow to red. This tree typically grows 40 to 50 feet tall and wide, making it a great option for large spaces. Does the Acer x Freemanii Sienna Glen maple have helicopters? Yes, the Acer x Freemanii, including the Sienna Glen variety, does produce helicopters, also known as samaras. These are the winged seeds that spin like helicopters when they fall to the ground. While they can be a bit messy, they are a natural part of the tree's reproduction process. How to care for Acer x Freemanii. Caring for Acer x Freemanii involves a few key practices. Watering. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry spells. Aim for deep watering to encourage strong root growth. Soil. This maple prefers well-drained soil. While it can tolerate a range of soil types, it thrives in loamy or sandy soils. Pruning. Prune the tree in late winter or early spring to remove dead or crossing branches. This helps maintain its shape and encourages healthy growth. Fertilization. A balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can promote robust growth and vibrant foliage. How to propagate Acer x Freemanii. Propagation of Acer x Freemanii is usually done through grafting or from seeds. Here's a basic overview of each method. Grafting. This is the most common method. It involves taking a cutting from a healthy tree and grafting it onto a rootstock. This method ensures that the new tree will have the same characteristics as the parent. Seeds. While growing from seeds is possible, it's less reliable as the seeds may not always produce a tree with the same traits as the parent. Additionally, seed-grown trees take longer to mature. What to plant with Acer x Freemanii. When planting alongside Acer x Freemanii, consider choosing complementary species that thrive in similar conditions. Some good options include shade-tolerant perennials. Hostas, astilbes, and ferns can provide a lush underplanting. Ornamental grasses. Varieties like blue fescue or maiden grass add texture and contrast. Flowering shrubs, azaleas or hydrangeas can offer seasonal color and visual interest. Can you grow Acer x Freemanii indoors? Acer x Freemanii is not suitable for indoor growth. This tree requires ample space, sunlight, and the environmental conditions that are difficult to replicate indoors. It's best suited for outdoor landscapes where it can reach its full potential and contribute to the natural beauty of your garden. Is Acer x Freemanii toxic? Acer x Freemanii is not considered toxic to humans or pets. However, consuming large quantities of any plant material can potentially cause digestive discomfort. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on pets and young children to ensure they don't consume parts of the tree. Benefits of Acer x Freemanii. The Freeman maple offers several benefits. Fast growth. It grows quickly, providing shade and beauty in a short period. Attractive foliage. The tree's vibrant fall colors are a highlight of any landscape. Adaptability. It can thrive in various soil types and conditions, making it a versatile choice for many gardens. Common problems with Acer x Freemanii. While Acer x Freemanii is generally low maintenance, it can face some issues. Leaf spot. This fungal disease can cause spots on the leaves. Proper spacing and good air circulation can help prevent it. Aphids. These pests can sometimes infest the tree, leading to sticky residue on leaves. Regular monitoring and treatment can manage aphid populations. How does Acer x Freemanii compare to other maples? When compared to other maples, Acer x Freemanii stands out for its hybrid vigor, combining the best traits of its parent species. It generally grows faster and has a more vibrant fall color compared to the silver maple. In contrast to the red maple, it tends to be more tolerant of different soil conditions, but may have a slightly less intense fall color. In summary, Acer x Freemanii is a fantastic choice for those looking to add a beautiful, fast-growing tree to their landscape. Its vibrant foliage and adaptability make it a standout option, while its maintenance requirements are relatively straightforward. Whether you're dealing with its helicopters or just enjoying its fall color, this maple is a valuable addition to any garden.